Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my first box of the Hallmark Keepsake Club. Let me make sure my address is not showing. So the Hallmark Keepsake Club is a club that you have through Hallmark where you can purchase special ornaments every month of the year for a limited time, and they're only available to members. So this is my first year joining the club, so I thought it would be fun to share what it is to have the membership. I'm not entirely sure how I'll feel about it, but I will update you as we go. So first things first, the box took about 3 weeks to arrive, but they did keep me informed the entire time when it was coming through FedEx. I would get FedEx alerts letting me know like where it was in the process of coming. So it wasn't like I ordered something and I was abandoned. You know, the days of Amazon, you're so used to getting things like in 2 days that when things don't show up right away, you're immediately like, where's my package, you know? But this came, like I said, it took about 3 weeks, but they did update throughout. So let me just hide my invoice there. All right, and let me just show you the box. So we've got some bubble wrap here, which will be, I'll give this to my daughter to pop. Oh wait, are you not popping? It's like not popping. That's no fun. I'll try later. All right, so here we go. That's pretty box. And let's see, I think I can just scoot it out. I can. All right, good. The rest of the box is empty. Just more bubble packaging on the bottom. All right, so here is the box. It reminds me of an American Girl box, which if any of you had American Girls, you would know those boxes were so pretty. I never wanted to throw them out. It kind of gives me that vibe, like the box is just as precious as the thing inside. All right, so let's see. Oh no, I already see. Oh, I already see a bunch of bees in there, so I'm not going to flop it open that way. Alright, so the first thing that popped out of there was a recipe card, Traditions Made for Sharing. And oh, it's basically a Christmas recipe card, and it's for zucchini bread, which yum, Hallmark as usual. This is why I was going to do a channel dedicated to Hallmark. Zucchini bread is like one of my favorite things in the world to eat, and Hallmark just knows me. You see what I mean? Hallmark is like my soulmate. You know, I'm not even joking. Like, all right, and I don't care how corny it is. Oh, I gotta show this. Okay, I'm gonna try to show this without getting these things all over the place, because the last thing I need is for the dog to eat these. Although he seems pretty uninterested, he's laying on the couch. Oh, how precious is that? Look at that. So the first thing I see here is the 2021 Dream Book, and that's going to show the new ornaments that are coming out for this year. You can preview them online, which I did see a couple that I was interested in. But what it does is it blocks you from purchasing it, even though you can see them online, and then I believe as a member I can purchase it sooner than other people. And oh, these are cute. So I'm not, or I shouldn't say, I had collected Hallmark when my children were little. We used to go to the Hallmark store every Christmas and they would each pick out an ornament, and it was a tradition that went on for like a few years, and as my kids became rebellious teenagers, they didn't want to do it anymore. But, oh, look, they have a Golden Girls one. Blanche Devereaux, how cute, if you can see it. How cute is Blanche Devereaux? Right here, here. But, we kind of followed that tradition. But now that I have my own house, and last year I had updated my tree. We had the tree for the better half of a decade. Last year I updated to more of a country look farmhouse tree. And I just want to go back to, like, the sentimental ornaments. So, I want to try it. Oh, look at these. These are precious. Okay. All right, precious. I know some of them are on the pricey side. Actually, all the ones on these pages are kind of fair. But they are keepsakes. They're meant to be, you know, had for a lifetime if you preserve them. So Alright, this is a coupon, save $5 on your purchase of 10 or more. So we'll be using that. And let me move these scissors. Okay, here's something that says behind the designs. And it looks like it's a little, oh, it's like a little book explaining some history or some story of the ornaments that are for this year. So these artists that do the ornaments for the year, the Keepsake Ornaments, are like very well known and very, very detailed in their craft and different ones. I was watching a special, I think on Hallmark Movies Now, if I'm correct, I think so, where they were just kind of like saying like how each artist has kind of their specialty, and you know, like the rocking horse artist and things like that. North Pole Village. I hope this is showing well on the camera. I'm looking at the viewfinder to make sure you can see. There's nothing worse when somebody puts something to the camera and you can't see it, and I know because I've done it in the past and I felt horrible about it. Okay. Next we have cookie ornament hooks. Oh, that's cute. Looks like a pack of 5 of oh, that's cute. So it's just not, it's a bit of an upgrade from my little Dollar Tree like hooks. That's cute. Hallmark is like, quit being cheap. Which are fine. I've been using the Dollar Tree ones for like my entire life. So okay, let's see what's next here. Oh, I gotta get this fuzz out of here. I'm trying to do this without stopping the camera. If I have to, I have to. Okay, so next is this little, oh, and it's a sugar cookie. Oh, I didn't get it. It's so cute. It's a sugar cookie ornament stand, and then it matches the sugar cookie I don't know if that's how it always is, or if this is just this year's theme. But I'm already in love with my whole heart. I can't. I want to eat this cookie for days and days. How cute is that? I need it all in my life. Oh my god, look at the can you see the detail? It has like glitter. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Alright, so okay, here. I should have put like a little table by me. I'm kind of putting things here on the stand. Alright, let's see. Alright, I gotta start removing some of this stuff because okay. No, I don't. I think I'm good. I think we're coming to the end. Alright, so the first, so with the package you get, I thought you get 1 free ornament, but I have 2. I'm gonna check. I was under the impression I got 1 free ornament, but there's 2 in this box, so score. And this says Christmas tree ornament, Sweet Snowman Baker. He's cute. Look how, again, these boxes, they're just like, look at that, because you know they're collectibles. Not everybody actually uses them. I have the intention of using them, but a lot of people collect these just as collectibles and they don't actually use them. So I can totally, well, I guess you have to check and make sure it's not broken. I can totally see myself not opening it until I put up my Christmas tree. Wouldn't that be fun? If you get your ornament and you don't officially open it until you put up your Christmas tree, that'll be precious. But in the day of shipping, something might break, so you do have to check it. Oh, I think it's a theme. I think it's a theme. Look at that. He has a little sugar cookie cake. And look at his little apron. He's like a sugar cookie baker. Oh my god. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. I am picking out that this is a theme, and themes are my entire life. So cute. So like if I wanted to hang them, well, that sounds wrong. I don't want to hang the snowman. That's not right. But you get the idea. If you want to hang the ornament, and then it kind of matches, like, oh my god. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. Alright. I'm going to put this away a little neater off camera because my concern about these things is very high alert, high alert, high alert. You know, when you're a dog owner, it only takes one thing for your dog to, God forbid, eat and get sick. Okay, and then next is another ornament. It says, "That's Snow Sweets." Cute. Same thing, has the year 2021. Donnie, are you behaving? Never, and why would you start now, huh? Oh. How cute. Oh my god. It's like a little baker station. It's a little baker. Look, look. It's got a little kitchen towel. That's so cute. And it's all sugar cookie themed. Oh my god. Look at the little doggy. They have a little doggy. Oh my god. Look at that. Yeah, this is, oh, I totally see it. I'm already seeing, like, can you go on the mantle? I'm already trying to figure out how I'm going to decorate. I don't want this on the tree. It's too precious, all themed out. Well, we'll see what the ornaments I pick up from now to Christmas, but I don't want it on the tree. I want him to have his own little dedicated space. Oh, I should have paid attention to how this was boxed there. I think it was like that. Precious. All right, I think, therefore I think that was the end of the box. So let me just look more closely. Yep, I'm going to get rid of this fuzz, and then I'm going to pack it with the bubbles. I would rather do that. And then I'm going to put it right back in his box, or put them right back in the box, and put them in the garage for Christmas. That way they're safe and sound. All right, I just want to read off the sheet here. Oh, this is not the sheet. What is this? This is my invoice. Huh, it didn't come with like a little welcome sheet? That's random. Don't they usually come with like a welcome to our club? Maybe I missed something? Oh, duh, that's what was on top. So the card with the recipe was the welcome card, and I didn't read it. It says, "Traditions made for sharing. Nothing brings us together at Christmas time like favorite traditions. We look forward to decorating our trees and baking and enjoying every merry minute with the ones we love most. The baking tradition comes to life inside this year's dream box with ornaments that mix equal parts of fun and smiles. Of course, your 2021 dream book and a few more tweets await as well. We'll hope you enjoy them as we celebrate a year of traditions together. With our thanks, the Keepsake Ornament Club." This is P.S. For a special treat, flip to the back of for a favorite holiday recipe from Keepsake artist Anita Mara Rogers. Okay, so if I read this first, I would have picked up that it was me. Because I'm like a little kid and I go straight for like the goodies. So yeah, the welcome card was here, and then so the theme is baking and treats. So then there's a kitty bread for baking, and then that's why it's a little baking snowman with sugar cookie setup. So fun. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I thought I would be. I was like, this is right up my alley. This is something that I want to start this tradition now, and enjoy it for years to come. How cute. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting up my ornaments as I order them. They might be short videos like I did with the little Snoopy. I'll see. If they come this nice every time, then yes, I warrant sharing. But if it's just a little simple package, I'll just make it a short. But yeah, I look forward to 2021 Hallmark ornaments. All right, guys. Bye.